Guys, ito ang video na magdadala sa inyo sa isang paraiso. Paraiso na matatagpuan dito sa Sibuyan, Romblon. Tara, pasyalan natin guys ang Cresta de Gallo. Ito ang masasabing the next paradise in Asia. So ladies and gentlemen, sit back and relax and enjoy the ride. Let's enjoy the nature, beautiful place of Cresta de Gallo located in Sibuyan, Romblon, Philippines. From the main island of Sibuyan, Romblon, in the place called Azagra in the town of San Fernando, you may rent a boatman from the main island going to this beautiful paradise of Cresta de Gallo. So guys, huwag na nating patagalin, magtampisaw na tayo at enjoy natin ang place.
Guys, welcome to Cresta de Gallo guys. At ang location po natin ngayon ay sa Sibuyan Island sa Romblon. So, behind me, that one, the big island there, is the main island of Sibuyan. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Cresta de Gallo. Okay? Makikita nyo naman, oh, very fine. Oh. Malapulbos ang buhangin dito guys. Ha? Malapulbos. Okay? So, ngayon, na-arkila natin itong island na to, yung kabilang island. So camera woman sundan. Okay, so ito yung cottage nila guys. Okay, so this cost only 300 pesos lang pag sa local community, like local residents like us. Okay, so 300 pesos. So I don't know kung sa tourist magkano, but napakaganda. Meron na silang shade, meron toilet doon behind that tree, may toilet na. At dito banda, nakikita nyo naman yung sandbar na ito. So papasyal tayo sa ating munting paraiso dito sa Cresta de Gallo for a day. Okay.
Hey, sarap magtampisaw talaga guys dito sa napakagandang paraiso ng Cresta de Gallo. Samahan niyo ako guys, let's go, have fun. So guys, how would you get here? From Manila, okay, we don't have a flight from Manila. So all you need to do is go to Batangas Pier, the most easy way, and then take a ferry from Batangas Pier going to Sibuyan, Romblon. When you get into Sibuyan, Romblon, then ask the local people there, saan ba yung Azagra in the town of San Fernando, because you're going to Cresta de Gallo. And then from there, you're gonna rent a boat. Ask the boatman how much. It depends on the sizes of the boat. And then, yun, makakarating na ka dito sa napakagandang paraiso ng Cresta de Gallo. And you can see from far end, guys. Nasa kabilang island yung camera woman ko. At nandito ako sa beautiful sandbar. Talagang paraiso ang nilalakaran mo. Okay? So guys, what a beautiful song. So one day in Cresta de Gallo guys. Kaya sa mga gustong pumunta, ito ang perfect choice for you, for the honeymooners, for the barkadas, for the tourists. This is the perfect place for you guys. At ito, medyo maaga pa nga ngayon at ini-enjoy natin ang sunrise dito sa Cresta de Gallo. And yeah, dito pwede ka rin mag-jogging, physical fitness, your own the shoreline for your physical fitness. So guys, thank you very much.
Hope you enjoy it guys. I love you all. Come and visit Cresta de Gallo, located in Sibuyan Island, Romblon. So guys, ito, lunch break kami ngayon sa Cresta de Gallo. Nakita nyo naman yung background. Background music, swabing-swabe lang. Di ba? Chill na chill lang si Alex. Oh, tingnan mo. So sa mga pinsan, kinakailangan.
Ito natin, the best, ha?
Yeah. Alam nyo, pumunta na kayo dito sa island. Explore the island at saka enjoy the beach, enjoy the scenery. Kita nyo naman yan, malapulbos ang buhangin, guys. Okay, so next vacation, book your ticket sa barko. Sa barko lang, wala pang eroplano, guys. Okay, so easy lang kayo ng konti. Siyempre kailangan ko sumama sa video, ayan. O, di ba? Tingnan mo yung mahanda namin. O, di ba? O, simple lang ba? Lex, anong sabi mo kanina?
Salamat na nag-extend.
Iyon, salamat na nag-extend ang bakasyon. O, di ba? O, kaya kayo mga pinsan, aba naman, let's go next summer, okay? We'll enjoy this beautiful scenery of Isla de Gallo. Okay.
Yeah guys, so ito na nga. After na kumain, so from the beginning, pagmula nung dumating sa island, gumagawa na ng castle tong anak ko at hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin tapos. Kasi nga nakaka-relax talaga, enjoy talaga yung paggawa nito dahil pulbos ang buhangin. Yan na guys, crystal clear water. Low tide ba yan ha? Partida na low tide. But the thing is, para kang naliligo sa pulbos ng buhangin. At you can see what's underneath, the marine life talaga. Napakalinis ng tubig, crystal clear. This is what Cresta de Gallo can offer you all the way here from Sibuyan, Romblon, guys. So be it, just enjoy your summer, just enjoy your flight, sail away from Sibuyan, and then that's it. Come and visit this beautiful place. Then lahat ng stress mo sa city, it will rip off and recharge your body with this beautiful nature of Cresta de Gallo. So guys, magmula po dito sa Cresta de Gallo, ito po ang inyong Buddies Informative na laging naghahatid sa inyo ng napakagandang destinations experience. And ito na nga, our visit in Cresta de Gallo has come to an end, ladies and gentlemen. At don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, Buddies Informative. Sa muli nating pagsasama-sama at tayo'y mamamasyal all around the places on earth in few months ulit. Kaya samahan nyo ko dito sa aking channel. Thank you very much.